Build this crane at our site in Hamilton, New Zealand, where we have approximately 115 people currently involved in manufacturing at TRT, where we make things from trailers through to this specialist crane. This crane takes us 13 weeks from the day that we cut the first piece of steel to the day that it rolls out the door. For New Zealand, it's fairly unusual now to be making a full motor vehicle. We pride ourselves on the quality that goes into this particular crane and all of our other products, and to that end we're what we call an end-to-end manufacturer, so we both cut the raw steel, we fold it, we machine it, we fabricate it, it goes through our horizontal line boring where needed and machine it. It also then goes through our world-class paint facility where we blast and paint it through our assembly shop and goes out as rolling stock at the other end. So quite proud to think that we're one of New Zealand's only businesses that are still making a full rolling motor vehicle.